Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I called unemployment today and I talked to a live person. And so my information may also help you. So I thought I would share this information with you, okay? Okay, so currently my unemployment is going to run out the last day of this month, which is June 2020. And so, of course, that made me nervous and concerned of what happens next in regards to income. And I'm sure that that may be the issue with many people out there. If your end date is not the end of this month, it's coming soon, okay? So I wanted to give you some information. I'm in Massachusetts, so I called 617-262-6800 at 9 o'clock sharp, and I was able to get through. So this is what was discussed. I told the lady that answered the phone that my current unemployment ends the end of this month, and I wanted to know what are my options. I want to let you know what I found out directly from unemployment, and here we go. Once I have received all my current benefits, I can get PEUC. Remember that, write that down. PEUC. And I asked, what was that? That stands for pandemic unemployment. And you can get that due to the sickness that we all been going through the last 3 months, okay? So I guess that's an extra program that they have, but you don't qualify for that until you've exhausted your regular unemployment portions that you currently are getting. So currently you're getting your regular unemployment amount and the additional $600. So once you've exhausted your regular unemployment portion, then you'd qualify for that, okay? That's what I understand. Okay. So this PEUC, pandemic unemployment, runs for 13 more weeks. So you get another, 3 months and a week more worth of unemployment. Okay? And that's great news, because at least I can now start counting up how much I'll get so that I can know how to manage my money and business, right? That's very important. Okay, this is an absolute blessing. Thank the God for that. Thank God for that. Blessings, a blessing, a hidden blessing, okay? This helps you get your head finances and owed rent and life in order. The extra $600 a week you currently receive will end July 31st, 2020. I want to say that again because people really need to know that we are really coming close up on that. The extra $600 that you receive weekly now will end July, the last day of July 2020. So you can see where you need to adjust life quick, right? Because you're going to miss that money. Unless a new bill is signed that increases or continues that $600. We'll see. Nothing has been signed yet. Not one thing. They're on vacation. Okay. Okay. I was told the PEUC should automatically go onto my account once I've exhausted my current unemployment benefits. And if it do not, I must call or go on the computer and reopen a claim. Okay? So you know, when you gotta go on and you reopen a claim, remember, it could be a delay, it could be instantly, or it could be a week delay or a couple of weeks delay. You don't know. So again, right now, the money you have, you need to manage accordingly so that you can save some money, so that when this time comes, you can still survive, buy food, that sort of thing. Okay? Remember, again, you will only receive your current amount unless the second stimulus bill is passed and they grant some kind of benefits, extra benefits for unemployment. Within the next 6 weeks, life will be tested as the real struggle begins. And when I say the real struggle, guys, I mean the real struggle. Imagine this. That 600 goes bye-bye. Everybody in the whole wide world that is unemployed is scrambling for these few jobs that are out here. Wow. Now that is going to be something else. So that's why you need to save up now so that you can deal with this. And be prepared to roll with a lot of punches. You know, you might have to, maybe you can't survive in your current place. Maybe you have to go live with someone. Or there's lots of variables, right? Figure out what you need to do and what you can do. Sit down with a pencil and paper and come up with you a written plan for yourself. Okay, so that you can, when you get nervous and everything, you can pull out that little paper and know what you decided that you could do. Okay? You might want to stop spending now. Just stop spending, because it's time for the save now. Okay? Negotiate your current and past due rent. Try to negotiate that. See if, you know, if your rent is choking you, talk to your landlord. If you owe the landlord, talk to the landlord. Come up with something. Negotiate. Think about child care so you can go back to work. You know, because if you find a job, now you got the next problem. Is daycare open? Is school open? You know, all of that stuff currently is not open here in Massachusetts. So, you know, you need to talk to your mom, your dad, your friends, your family, your aunt, uncle, whoever it can watch your kids. That's for, so that you can survive, right? Because you're not going to have the option of saying, well, I got to stay home because I got to school my kids. You're going to have to school your kids after work, okay? Okay. The pandemic is about to be over in about 6 weeks, even though it's not over. So physically, it's not over. The threat is still there. People are still getting sick. As a fact, lots of things are happening. And so you got to be prepared, right? All right, so be about your family business, be about your income, be about your bills, be about your survival. The party is over. The party is over. Now, when I say the party is over, I'm not taking light about the sickness. What I mean when I say the party is over, that means that, you know, sitting waiting on the sickness that have plagued us nationwide is definitely over, because no matter what, you got to figure out how to survive now. Now you've got to make something happen. And I know you can do it, okay? I have faith in you. So go ahead, put your best foot forward. Follow these instructions if your unemployment is running out. And remember that you can apply for this PEUC. Now that's some good news, isn't it? Okay, so look, you should share that video, because I know you know some people that are on unemployment, and everybody's employment is eventually going to run out, and they need to know that, okay? All right, and let somebody else know that you was thinking about them, and here's some information, and so that they can know what they can do and what they can ask for, so when they need help. Okay, thanks for hanging around. Give this a thumbs up. I'm bringing you some more important information for you to govern yourself accordingly. And remember, subscribe. Give me some comments. I like the comments. I like the feedback. Any questions you have of me, feel free to ask. If I can answer you, I definitely will. And check out my links below. I have a GoFundMe and a Patreon that if you would like to help support this channel, that would be wonderful. You can follow the links below. Okay, talk to you soon, okay? Hang in there. Bye-bye.